Hi, I'm Ollie, jack of all trades and obtainium engineer. I'm here on Dja country in central Victoria. Welcome to my Woodgas hybrid electric truck project. I've won a Churchill Fellowship to investigate the hypothesis that cutting-edge small-scale gasification technology can power mobile forest management equipment, sequester carbon and contribute to the renewable energy transition. I grew up immersed in permaculture, a system for sustainable living and land use, and as part of that there was food growing all around me and we were caring for this forest here. As a child, seeing the forest being thinned and being able to cook all our food on that wood and get enough heat for our hot water, there was this real sense of being able to meet our energy needs from the forest while improving the forest. There was the possibility as well to receive timber and other really high value things. They were byproducts of the thinning process. We were always working in the forest to improve the forest, but there was also this component of woody waste that was left that we didn't have a great use for. I became aware that the forest was sort of offering this energy and that we weren't utilising that very well. And so I started to see there be a possibility to take some of that woody waste and produce more of our energy needs, not just the energy to cook our food, but potentially make some electricity from that. When I was 16, I saw John Sanderson running an engine off a wood gasifier. With this technology that is actually it's been around since before World War II, simple versions of it, but a wood gasifier is able to take some of that woody waste and turn it into useful electricity. When you heat wood up, you get wood gas, and if you control that really carefully, you can make that good enough to feed into an engine, and with that you can make renewable energy. This Woodgas hydroelectric truck project is really the latest iteration in a series of engineering things that I've been working on. One of the precursors was an electric truck conversion for my partner on her dairy. So Cella Dairy has a ute that drives out every morning from the dairy to milk the cows, and we were able to convert that to electric. Living in the forest here is really beautiful, but there's also in the back of my head, not if, but when will a fire come? And for me, my relationship to fire, I think back to exams, and I think when I worked throughout the year, bit by bit, every day, keeping in mind the bigger picture goal of that exam, then it was all doable. And for me, fire is very much like that. Thinking about how we manage the fuel in and around our buildings and how we gather our energy as well. So getting firewood from the forest is not just cooking my food, it's also helping to make that area around where I live more fire safe. So I'm cooking my food on wood, I'm reducing the fire hazard, and at the same time I'm helping to thin the forest so the forest can grow taller and stronger and live to a much greater age. I've been working with Indigenous land managers locally on a program called Gog Gog Del Cunha, or forest gardening, and it's a beautifully articulated contemporary forest management strategy that is really closely aligned with our permaculture vision for forest management. We have equipment that we use to help us manage the forest, and most of that equipment is powered by fossil fuels, from chainsaws to trucks and other equipment. And it would be amazing if we were able to power that equipment from the energy that the forest captures from the sun, instead of that lying around as a fire hazard that's threatening our settlements and having to do big burn-offs where it all goes up in smoke. The idea that we could put that in a box and control that and fuel our vehicles and remove our reliance on fossil fuel for managing the forest is really that vision of putting the gasifier onto a truck to start to renewably power our forest management equipment. having people in the landscape, caring for that landscape, and that providing our energy needs is this vision of people living in harmony with landscape and really not needing to damage one place to save another, but rather people caring for country, doing things that's truly long-term so that we leave a better forest, a better landscape for generations to come, and along the way that landscape is able to provide for our needs, both for energy and food. So we've been developing a workshop to be able to bring this project together, and in that workshop we're going to build our first prototype Woodgas hybrid electric truck, and then a little ecosystem of electric forest management equipment. I hope you'll join me on this journey to build a Woodgas hybrid electric truck. I'll see you next time.